Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video we'll be sharing and discussing together on how to make bubble braid with kinking extension. If you want to make a bubble braid with kinky extension for ponytail or for on your kid's head, this is just a simple method to do it for beginner. After cross parting your hair, section your hair into two, you put in your extension, braid it so that it will be very easy for you to bubble it. After braiding it, have to put the hair in between the two extension, and the next thing is start using your band, your tiny band, to hold the bubble so that the bubble can stay very well. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to get to small other beginners. Now, after doing this way, you have to take little out of your extension so you'll be able to wrap the down of the hair to make the down of the hair look neat before you start your bobbing. Now I'm done. The next thing is to start bringing out my bubble with my hairband. This is the hairband. The number of bubble you will need determine the number of hairband you need for a particular hair. Share this video and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section, because I will attend to it. Thank you for always supporting my video. See you in my next video.